Basic concepts. The first thing you need to understand about the Voicelive3 Extreme is that it's based on three layers. You have your vocal layer, your guitar layer, and your looping and backing track layers. Looping and backing track being one of the layers. You can switch between the layers using the layer foot switch. When you tap on the layer foot switch, the effects associated with the 6 effects foot switches, labeled U-mod, delay, reverb, hit, double comp, harmony drive, will change from the vocal effects to guitar effects or looping backing track controls. So by using the Looper Layers button, you can switch between the three layers available in the Voicelive3 Extreme. You'll also notice there's a little icon on the top left of each effects pane right in this area that you'll see change to let you know if you're on the vocal layer with the microphone, guitar layer, or the looper section. This is a brief description of the top panel controls and buttons. Full functionality for each will be described in more detail later. The genre button. Use the genre button to find presets based on their musical genre or featured effects. For example, you may want to restrict the presets visible to you in VL3X to those that are defined as rock or country in nature. And press the genre button again. When browsing presets, you'll only see presets assigned to this genre. And the name of the selected genre will be shown in the lower left corner of the display. To remove the filter, tap the genre button, set genre to all, and tap the genre button again. Press the setup button to access all system settings, including input, output, MIDI, tone, guitar, and more. Press and hold the setup button to enter the automated microphone and guitar gain setting mode. Follow the instructions prompted on the device. Hit setup again to exit the menu. You can also hit the home button at any time to go back to your presets menu. Use the scroll knob to move through presets. Use the vocal button to enter the vocal edit screens. This is where you can make changes to the vocal effects for your current preset. Use the guitar button to enter the guitar edit screens. This is where you can make changes to any of the guitar effects for your current preset. Use the looper button to enter the loop and backing track options screen. Here you control several general loop options. When you're in the vocal or guitar layer and have a loop playing, the small red LED next to the looper button will flash. This gives you a visual indication that a loop is running. The mix knobs. From the home screen, turning any mix knob enters the mix screens. Main, head, phones, and effects options will be available. Within an edit page, the mix knobs adjust parameter settings. Each mix knob controls the parameters shown right above its display. You can use the arrow buttons to move through the presets. When you're on the edit screen, use the arrow buttons to move between tabs. You'll see this done more as we go along our tutorial. On the unit, you'll see an NP LED light. The NP LED lights, when naturally play, chord information is receiving via guitar, MIDI, auxiliary, the looper, or room sense. We'll cover that a little bit more later. You'll also see LED levels. If you play your guitar and without singing, your guitar level is shown. If you sing without your guitar, your vocal level is shown. Or if you do both, you'll see both the levels combined.